Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about my combination 2 on my website, which is, let's go take a look. This is what it is, right? So I made a video already about combo 1, what it is and what not. And this one is about combo 2. I'm getting emails asking questions, right? So I might as well just make a video so I can provide the video, whoever asks. So now let's go take a look at this one. This includes one-on-one coaching, and it is a 5 hour over the Zoom, right? Where I not only teach you how to use my system, but overall business, trading business, how to use the Fibonacci and what is the basic trading business is, and then a little bit of Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, and all of that. I teach that personally in 5 hours. I do have a 10-hour course as well. See, this one is a 10-hour course. It's different, right? But this combo has 5 hour course. And if you get that for this much, then you have my robot for free, which is alone is $500, right? So this one, like I said, that it opens the trade and place an SL, 25 pip hard SL. If you open the trade from 7-minute chart, it's only 15 pip SL, and you can set the target according to whatever you learn, whatever you think it's feasible, the range, or whatever. My trades are, you know that those are big one, right? Most of the time they're like 70, 80 pip, 100 pip, 150 pip. And I teach you all of that, how to take the trade, how to take the entry and hold on to it, right? So this robot has the ability to open the trade according to my system, right? Renko charts and all that, and which I provide everything. And then you get this. Basically, it opens the trade, and you can have SL. Well, you can have more, but I prefer 25 pip hard SL according to my system. So this is what it does. So like I said, that this combo 2 has 5 hour course where you're going to learn every single thing, and you will get this. See, this subscription means the membership. You get all of these things. For example, you get all the indicators and template required for this system, all right? And Renko chart builder and EA alarm and all of that. Weekly charts, monthly charts, templates, and all those with analysis and setups, right? Currency pairs, gold, indices like NASDAQ, S&P, all of that. Expert advisor alarm version, you get that. Access to my Telegram channel, which is right here. And this is where I post the videos, charts, heads up for the upcoming setups, like, EA and GA will go up. And then you see this, I said that gold, BTC might be going up from here. These will go to the upside. And, gold just made a long on 20-minute chart. And this is a trade, right? So this is a constant heads up here, as well as you get 24-hour email support. And you will also have access to hundreds of videos, previous webinar recording. I do webinar twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and you will be a part of that, right? Now, with lifetime membership, which is here, you will get these services for lifetime and my EA for free. So that's the combo 1. The second one is that you will get 5-hour coaching from me personally, right? Teaching you the A to Z of the trading business in a fast mode, because in detail is a 10-hour course, right? But this one, I will just touch base like basic of Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, just to give you the idea that what are there, what you'll be looking for, right? In the 10-hour course, it is very in detail and exactly how to trade those pairs as well. But yeah, 5-hour course and this robot, and this is only for $497. You get the robot for free. This is the price of the 5-hour course, basically, right? But with this one, you get only 1 month membership free. And after that, you will not be a part of this Telegram or my, receiving my charts and, and attending my webinars, right? So if you want that, then you need If you want all of these, then this is a third one. I'll explain that in a separate video. So this is the combo 2 one-on-one course, 5-hour course, and you get that robot for free. And this 5-hour course, A to Z of this trading business, and 1 month subscription free. That's what you get. In that 1 month, you'll get all of that, right? So we just read. I explained it already. So this is it for now. And I'll make another video for explaining the combo number 3 as well, so that nobody has to ask me questions and they just to come here and then you want to understand the whole thing, just watch the video. All right. So this is it for now. Talk to you guys later.